Welcome back to Training Next.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with LookFantastic.
Yay! One I used to get and I wish I still did, but I don't. And we're trying to figure out how to open
I'm
this
just going
thing.
to tear it from the bottom, yeah.
But how have you guys been? Hopefully you're enjoying your December. We've only filmed, I think, like one video this month, but we're doing 4 back-to-back now. We're trying to catch up. It's pretty.
It's pretty.
Isn't that the one? Oh,
it has something on the...
I was thinking it was like Glossy Box all of a sudden. I was like...
At Christmas, all roads lead home.
Aww. Hopefully everybody gets home safely.
Inside. And then it comes with the Elle magazine. Little mini kitty ones.
Oh, I couldn't see from upside down. I was like...
Yeah, so it comes with a little magazine. Okay. And then, of course, the book. I don't know if you... Do you want to show it or look through it or...
Sure. Well,
you can see...
Watch these.
Show them.
Yeah, I was like...
I should show it's pink.
Well, hold on. It's got on though. But yeah, there's just a couple different things in there.
I started opening it and I was like, I should show you. It's pink right there.
Maybe it could be like red for... I mean... Ooh. I know you've gotten something like that before.
First thing I will pull out is Ico London's Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner plus Wide Lash. Anyway, I love eyeliners like this, so of course I'm going to keep this.
It says, designed for after hours allure, meet our darkest liquid eyeliner yet. Make winged liner effortless with a smooth, fluid, single stroke color that lasts all night.
And then Sleep Makeup Eye Divine Mineral-Based Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know if I want to keep it or put it in a giveaway. I'll probably just, I don't know. Probably
either Oh So Special or Good Night. Do you know which one you've got?
I got the, oh wait, Oh So Special, sorry.
It says, create an array of stunning, natural, and glamorous eye makeup looks with this palette from Sleek Makeup Discover Collection of 12 shades suited for every skin tone to highlight, intensify, and accentuate the eyes.
Is this like a separate?
Getting, I don't know. Getting
Eyelure London Fluttery Light. I think it comes with a little, the glue.
Yeah, which is good.
Me and her don't really wear these too often, so I mean that might just go into a giveaway as well. It
says, fall in love with this pair of textured strip lashes with a lightweight finish, perfect for day or night, giving you an extra bit of length and thickness. These Eyelure lashes are ideal for any upcoming Christmas parties, designed to be reusable. These lashes apply with ease for a fluttery finish, which is pretty cool.
And then Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer. It came with like this little sheet separately. I'm not sure why, but
it says, infused with featherlight oils, this invisible oil primer is a lightweight pre-styling mist formulated for dry, coarse, or brittle hair, protecting against breakage, heat styling, and UV damage. Keep your hair in top condition this winter with this nourishing primer. We have so many products that are for like blow drying and stuff.
Is it Prey? Is that how you pronounce it? Platinum Firm and Lift Cream?
That's what I would think.
Prey. It's like really tiny writing.
It says, rediscover youthful looking skin with this Prey Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. Redefining facial moisturizer infused with firming platinum. Rich in antioxidants, this anti-aging moisturizer intensely hydrates skin whilst defending against free radicals. Skin looks smoother, younger, and with a fresher, firmer appearance.
And then the last thing is Real Chemistry Luminous 3-Minute Pill. I feel like we got this. Maybe we didn't get it recently, but I'm pretty sure with the last one we were putting it in a giveaway. I think with our prior one we had. But
it says, get party prep skin by refining the complexion with the Real Chemistry Luminous 3-Minute Pill, an exfoliating face pill that expertly removes dead skin to reveal a soft and renewed complexion. Yeah, I think I wanted it the last time and I ended up saying like I just want to reuse it, so I think I ended up putting it. I kind of like what it came with in this box, and this one's what, 17?
I believe so.
17 US dollars. But yeah, if this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways or at least be notified about them. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.